more than 10 to 11 with the company, I'll say. It was a baby project for us, when we started the journey. So we started helping students with not their academic score, but it was more of a profile. So what is important, Divyansh? Maybe you're good and you're performing 100% in all your internal exams, let us say class 12, okay?
Okay.
But what happens maybe on the D day when you're having your maths exam,
Yeah.
there is some, let us say, medical urgency with your parents, and you are not in your comfortable state of mind.
Yeah.
And still you're forced to go and give the board exam. So do you
Mm-hmm.
think you will be able to crack good scores? No, nobody will be able to, right?
No.
Because we are facing that problem that we are seeing our near and dear ones on the bed due to
Yeah.
any reason.
Yeah.
So ultimately, maybe you're getting 100 marks in all the internal exams, but your CBSE 12 board sheet the mark sheet of board exam is just showing 40 percentage in maths. Let us say. So what
Mm-hmm.
is irony of the situation, Divyansh? आप
Mm.
अच्छे हैं ये आप भी जानते हो, आपके
जी.
पेरेंट्स जानते हैं, आपके टीचर्स और फ्रेंड्स भी जानते हैं, लेकिन
Mm.
वो मार्कशीट जो आप जिंदगी भर अपनी प्रोफाइल में लेकर चलेंगे वो तो
Yeah.
सिर्फ 40% दिखा रहा है, राइट?
Yeah.
So that was the initial phase when we started this company, and now by God's grace, it is very much successful on international front. So we are helping students even if they have less CAT percentile. So we don't discuss percentiles; we just get the information and then that's it. Okay. So I believe
Okay.
more of your profiling, your qualifications, your internships that will be highlighted here. So what is important now? If I say your preferences, coming back to that, SPGen Global, and then I believe you have UK and US as your destinations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Australia, and what about Canada? You're looking for Canada as well?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, first of all, my first preference will be US, then Canada, then
Okay,
Australia, and then UK.
okay,
In that order.
okay, perfectly okay. So Devyansh, here I'll suggest when you're keeping US and Australia as your first preference, yes, we can US and Canada as your first preference. Definitely you can go by this, but let me tell you one thing very important because people are not aware of this.
Okay.
But what is important now, if I discuss abroad first, let us say UK, you talk
Hmm.
of business schools. What specialization you're thinking for yourself in MBA program?
Either marketing or international business.
IB, perfectly okay. Marketing or IB, I'll say. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is important, Divyansh? When I talk of business schools, my dear, top 200 business schools are very much in UK. You getting my point?
Okay.
So even our IIMs are not ranked above that. Any institution, if I say even University of Liverpool or any, I can't name, there are so many.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll be sharing one thing which is very important. Let us say Russell Group. Please write down.
Russell Group.
Russell Group is one collaboration, a very strong collaboration of ours, and this is having more than 24 great universities under this banner. Okay,
Okay.
so we can go for any depending upon your profile, because see what is important in abroad, we don't shortlist the college. The college is accepting our profile. It's other way around. So we help
Okay.
you with your profiling because see you have 75% in your 12th. If I talk Canada, let us say University of Canada West, even they want something 3 GPA that is going to 83 to 86% at least, the qualifying scores. You got my point?
Yeah.
So what happens when you're trying for the journey? The basic qualifying parameter is very, very tough. Okay, maybe because you have missed just few percentages. Okay, so
Okay.
we make your journey possible through our profiling, because of our collaboration, because of the pathway programs. So it is possible. Now, if I compare UK and Canada, you need to understand in
Hmm.
Canada, they are accepting your 16 years of education. But when you are just a graduate, bache, you have completed 15 year of education. Got my
Yeah.
point?
Yes.
So you need to go for one diploma program. Okay, 1 year diploma, so that you
Okay.
complete your 16 years. Okay,
Okay.
this will be scenario for Canada, but if you want to go for UK, it is going to be 1+1. In the sense, you straight away get your admission into the management programs, and
Hmm.
ultimately 1 year you study and 1 year is your paid internship. Okay,
Okay.
so what is important to understand, see budget is not the criteria for you, but let me give you one example of Canada. Now Now let us say if I was discussing University of Canada West, right?
Yeah.
So you need to have your GPS 3, that is 86 percentage at least minimum, where you don't qualify neither your 12th nor your graduation, let us say. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So in this regard, what we will be helping you, we have, let us say, great colleges there. Just to example, maybe Kotkur College. It's well known for their website and all the, IT skills and management programs. So
Okay.
what happens? Understand the beauty of the program. You can note down.
Okay.
You go with the diploma program for 1 year. Okay,
Okay.
that you can choose. Maybe if anybody who is inclined towards IT skills, they go for web development. Okay, and
Okay.
let's say you are focusing for management, you can go for your management programs. So what exactly happens, your 1 year diploma is the first phase in Canada. Okay,
Okay.
and after completing 1 year of diploma, that is the advanced diploma, you go for 1 year of co-ops, that is a paid internship. Okay,
Okay.
now when I say paid internship, you need to understand you are paid something around 20 to 30 lakhs in a year. That is something what ITs, the people, those with IT, they are getting. Still, you
Okay.
can understand the payouts are amazingly great.
Yeah. Yeah. It's seriously
So,
great.
okay, so it is basically 1 year you're going to go for diploma. Then
Mhm.
you can go for 1 year of your co-op program, that is paid internship. And then you can proceed for your job also. And in case you crack good placements and you are in the position of a manager, let us say, you can go for your PR options. Okay? This is
Okay.
the easiest possible route in case you want to go for diploma and placements. But if your interest is to go towards University of Canada West, but you are not qualifying, so what will be your journey? Please write down. You
Okay.
will be going for 1 year diploma program, which
Hmm.
is going to cost, let us say, something around 8 to 12 lakhs. Okay, the
Okay.
academic cost I'm talking about. And then after
Hmm.
completing 1 year, you will be forwarded towards University of Canada West for 1.5 years. Because your journey from Kotkur College to University of Canada West is easy. Because then your parameters of 86 and 90 percentage will not be taken into consideration. Because then you are going to be one of the students of Kotkur College in Canada who has completed 1 year diploma program. So you very
Okay.
well qualify for University of Canada West. You got my point?
Yeah.
So ultimately, this is also one way where you can go in your, major in marketing or psychology or your IB, whatever you feel like.
Okay.
So what is important? It's your decision totally which pathway you want to proceed for. Okay? Is it clear,
Okay.
Divyansh, to you?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So maybe you can go after your diploma 1 year, you can go straight away to paid internship and your placements. If you really want to enjoy the university life there, then 1 year in Kotkur College and then 1.5 year towards University of Canada West. Okay?
Oh, ma'am. Just a question.
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. After my, you said the diploma that 1.5 years of my education will be held in University of Canada West.
Yeah.
So, what will be the amount, the cost of the academic education over there?
Okay, that I'll be coming to the financials, but let me just share the qualifying parameters, what is important, so that I
Okay.
don't miss out anything, which is, see, you will be having number one, I've shared with
Mm.
you the pathway, how you're going to proceed towards university. Okay.
Okay.
Second thing comes about your intake, that will be September and January intake. Okay.
Okay.
So for code core, September intake is very much open. So important is that your journey towards university is open through this college because they are having great collaborations. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to English requirement, you need to be very clear in this. Have you appeared for IELTS, Divyansh?
Not yet.
So you need to go for IELTS and it should be 6.5 or 7 band at least. And I'll appreciate because with your confidence in your communication skills, I believe you can easily crack 8 to 9. And
Yeah.
if you
Yes.
get great scores, there is a scope of scholarship as well. Okay.
Okay.
So now what is important to understand that this is a scenario of your education and your journey towards the program. Now,
Okay.
Coming to the costings, what you were asking, what will be the costings in University of Canada West for 1.5 year?
Yeah.
Something around, I think, 40 to $50,000.
Okay.
Okay,
Canadian dollars.
Canadian dollars. Yeah, yeah, definitely. So now, what is important? You need to understand that what options are open to you, Bache. Because I remember, see, there was one boy who really, did 1 year diploma program from Kodkur College. Okay,
Hmm.
and it was Ruby and all HTML and all specializations,
Hmm.
and the boy got $150,000 as LPA.
Okay.
He was absorbed in Amazon.
Okay.
So, what is important to understand, what kind of specializations you're looking forward, what is going to be the placement opportunities.
Hmm.
So, regarding that, once you spend 4 to 5 years,
Hmm.
see if you're heard of Canada, you can go for PhD. But otherwise, after completing your 4 to 5 years of journey in Canada, you can go for PR options.
Okay.
Now, important is this is Canada in brief.
Okay.
Now, even if I talk of UK, they will be accepting your 15 years of education. There is no problem with this. Okay. Now,
Okay.
what exactly here you will be having 1+1 option, that is, see, it's as simple as that because Divyansh, it won't be possible that I'm giving you all the colleges, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'll give you in brief, and rest we will take care once you're registered. So what happens? Let us say UK, we are applying in some colleges. We will give you some options, two in UK, two in Canada, and let us say one US. Maybe you can write down Gannon University is giving great scholarship. US Gannon University, you can just mention
Canon.
Gannon, GANON, okay? Because
Okay.
see, we will be guiding you for good scholarships. See,
Yeah.
universities are amazing, but ultimately we need to see where our candidate is getting best options. So
Yeah.
even if you think of UK, Canada, it is financially very sound. Okay. So UK,
Okay.
now let us say we take two UK, you can please write down two UK, two Canada,
Hmm.
one US Gannon University, and let us say one SP Jan. So we give you
Okay.
how many options? We give you 6 options,
Six.
right?
Yeah. Right.
We go for UK, we go for Canada, we go for Gannon US, and let us say SP Jan Global. Is there
India.
one more option? So 6 options you have in totality, and all are going to be great. Now, what is important if I talk of UK? Please write down one
Hmm.
plus one program. So 1 year of study program, then 1 year of paid internship.